Yeah, there again, guys. I stripped this Commodore keyboard off. There's nothing in this at all. So I'm very surprised actually. Like I said, I've not stripped one down before, so I didn't know. I just thought it was inside. It's just copper plated, so they're not even worth taking apart. Obviously wiring running to it, but there is some gold plating along here. Until I strip that down, there might be some more gold plating in there. Take it all apart and have a look. So I'll put that in this to-do bucket. There's a game with it. I believe it's a game. Just going to pop this open. There's a little bit of gold plating on both sides of that. And some chips. I'm going to get that scratched just to make sure it's not gold plated all the way through. And that's actually gold plated on there, so there's some actual more gold plating than I thought. I got a bit, so it shows you where to get some gold plating stuff from. Please like and subscribe below, leave a comment, then see you again.